Want to move faster in Linux? I'm CyberFX, and today I'll explain the ls command in detail. This is one of the first and most important commands every Linux user should master, because it helps you explore your system efficiently. To begin, type ls. That's ls. This will list all the files and folders in your current directory. If you're unsure where you are, first type pwd to print the working directory, and then type ls. It's a quick way to get your bearings inside the terminal. Now, let's make the output more useful. Type ls-l. This gives you a long format listing showing permissions, ownership, file sizes, and timestamps. If you want sizes to be easy to read, use ls-lh. The H stands for human readable. Instead of a huge number like 2,100,000, it will simply show 2.1 megabytes. Much easier at a glance. Linux has hidden files that begin with a dot, such as .bash history or .git. By default, they are invisible. To see them, type ls-a. And if you combine both options with ls-la, you get a detailed view, including hidden files. This is extremely useful when working with configuration files. Want the most recent files first? Use ls-lt. Looking for the largest files, try ls-l capital S. And if the list is too long, you can limit it. For example, ls-lt, Pipehead will only display the top 5 newest files. And that's the power of the ls command. From simple listings to advanced filters, it's a small command that makes Linux navigation much faster. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to CyberFX.